Hi, I'm Tiana and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJIES. Yumi, start the clock.
Thanks, Tiana. Monday, everyone came back into school for a special early SJIIES Earth Week, starting with Meatless Monday. The virtue of this week, self-discipline. Tuesday, students and teachers walked, rode scooters, and used different forms of public transport to come to school, supporting Transportation Tuesday. Wednesday was all about water, starting with a rather wet start to the day. Taps were turned off in and out of school, helping to conserve as much water as possible. Thursday, students could be found doing their part to help keep the school tidy by throwing away trash and recycling. Friday, our Earth Week ended with the whole school working together to discuss how we can all play our part to help positively impact our planet before packing bags and heading home for the weekend. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi and we'll see you again next time.